My interview was with Michelle L'Italienne. I chose Michelle because she has achieved much in her career at a young age and without the benefit of a college degree. Her role as the New England Regional Director of Operations at Clean Slate Centers, a national addiction services healthcare organization, involves the oversight and leadership of 20 centers spread out through Massachusetts and Connecticut. She mentors and manages more than 70 operational staff people throughout these regions. Additionally, her role requires that she travel throughout Massachusetts and Connecticut on a daily basis, from Western Mass to the South Shore, and it also requires travel to our corporate offices in Nashville, Tennessee. Early on in Michelle's career, she credits other women as key resources in advancing her career. She started out in a physician's office as a receptionist just out of high school, and with the help of these key women evolved into the leader she is today. Her strongest leadership aspects include resilience, perseverance, and mentorship. Michelle is a mother of a 7-year-old active little boy, and juggling home while managing her role at Clean Slate requires she multitask every day while making key decisions that will impact not just her locations, but the organization as a whole. She accomplishes all of this through her perseverance, getting done what needs to be done, and triaging tasks to other women leaders that report to her. Did I mention she does all of this while managing MS? One thing that seemed important to her was mentoring women that report to her. In my 3 years at Clean Slate, I've seen these 3 women in particular that she mentored rise to the role of regional managers. She inspires them to give their best every day. My takeaway from this interview was inspirational. I plan to learn more about women-empowered workplaces so that I am able to contribute and affect change within my organization to embrace and build future women leaders, and perhaps take that on into my personal life as I work within my community. Resilience is also a key aspect I'm interested in developing within myself. While I do multitask and make critical decisions each day that affect not just my department, but the organization as a whole, I don't necessarily manage my stress well. To be resilient, this is a key component, and that involves developing a work-life balance skill, which at times seems unattainable. But again, Michelle embodies this concept and has been able to set those boundaries necessary to give her best when she comes to work each day. And I do aspire to achieve that work-life balance. My leadership development plan, while strong when I first developed it, really has now evolved. I continue to pursue and embody honesty, integrity, and credibility. But now my leadership development plan includes a commitment to other women, mentoring others and giving back to those rising up in the ranks behind me. This commitment, I hope, will give me the opportunity to positively impact other women's lives and perhaps inspire them to greatness. Thank you.